Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5. Bitcoin bottom signals flash. Let's go. Price check. Current price, about $63,500. Bitcoin has held relatively steady over the short term, down just 2.3% from 4 days ago, and essentially flat over the past month. The most significant move across our regular timeframes remains the 14.2% pullback from 4 months ago when BTC traded above $74,000. Story 5. OranjeBTC launches DAG 11 digital credit product in Brazil. The fund offers monthly distributions in Brazilian real, daily liquidity, and foreign exchange hedging, packaging Strategy's Bitcoin-backed credit instruments for international markets. Saylor described the development as digital credit going global, positioning STRC alongside CITA as part of a broader digital assets monetary spectrum alongside Bitcoin. According to his framework, Bitcoin serves as digital capital, while STRC represents digital credit, offering lower volatility and yield generation compared to direct Bitcoin exposure. Story 4. Inflation holds steady as CPI meets expectations. US. Inflation came in at 3.4% for the latest reading, exactly matching economist expectations and marking the lowest level in 4 months. The Consumer Price Index data suggests inflationary pressures may be stabilizing after previous concerns about persistent price increases. For Bitcoin investors, stable inflation at elevated levels reinforces the asset's value proposition as a hedge against currency debasement. Story 3. OCC Greenlights Bit firms as national banks. In another regulatory breakthrough, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency has cleared Bitcoin and crypto firms to become national banks. This authorization grants crypto-native companies access to the same regulatory framework and protections as traditional financial institutions, potentially transforming how digital asset firms operate. National bank status would allow crypto companies to offer federally insured deposits, access Federal Reserve payment systems directly, and operate across all 50 states under a single charter. This removes a major barrier that has forced many crypto firms to operate under a patchwork of state-by-state money transmitter licenses. Story 2. SEC to enable 24/7. Stock trading on blockchain. The Securities and Exchange Commission is preparing to allow US stocks to trade around the clock on blockchain infrastructure, marking a significant regulatory shift toward embracing distributed ledger technology. The move would eliminate traditional market hours and potentially revolutionize equity trading by bringing it in line with cryptocurrency markets that never close. This development signals growing institutional acceptance of blockchain as legitimate financial infrastructure. Story 1. Bitcoin trades near production cost as bottom signals. Flash, Bitcoin is now trading in its cost of production zone, a price level that historically marks bear market bottoms. This metric, which estimates the average cost to mine 1 Bitcoin including energy, equipment, and operational expenses, has served as a reliable floor during previous cycles. The current price action suggests miners are operating near break-even, typically the point where capitulation ends and accumulation begins. Grayscale echoed this sentiment in a new report, noting that the number of Bitcoin holders continues to rise despite subdued price action. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.